Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Gourmet's Delight by Faiza. I hope you all are doing well. So stay safe and also follow social distancing. So this is my second Ramadan vlog and thought of sharing with you all my suhoor and iftar recipes. But before that, I just thought of capturing this. As I was going to the market, I saw this beautiful scene. I saw the streets decorated, so thought of capturing this. It looked really beautiful. This is where I stay. So that's it. Now let's begin with the recipes. So to begin with, we'll start with the falafel. To make falafel, take one canned falafel, chickpeas. Into this, I've added around 6 cloves of garlic and coarsely grind this. Do not add any water to this. Once this is done, add a bunch of coriander leaves, extract of half lime, a little bigger than lemon, salt as you require, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, diced onion, half medium onion, 1 teaspoon red chili powder. Give it a mix and grind it coarsely. And once this is done, add half cup of corn flour and mix it. Now shape the falafels, shape it into round balls. And I personally love the taste of sesame seeds, so I'm coating this with sesame seeds. If you don't want it, you can just omit this. Once this is done, you can just deep fry this. So this is done. So I'm going to deep fry this until golden brown. Once this is done, serve it with tzatziki sauce. So to make tzatziki sauce, I took 1 cup of yogurt, half cup of shredded cucumber, remove the excess water from it. To this, add 1 tablespoon of cream cheese. If you don't have cream cheese, you can just omit this. 1 teaspoon dry mint, half teaspoon black pepper powder, 2 cloves of garlic crushed, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. And to this, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So give it a mix. Mix this well. And now add salt as you require. And mix this nicely. This is very simple recipe, very nutritious, very healthy, and also very tasty. And this was loved by my family. So your tzatziki sauce is ready. Now I'm preparing the palya for the masala dosa. I had already boiled and mashed 5 to 6 potatoes. And now into a pan I've added some oil, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. Let this splutter. Add around 12 to 15 curry leaves, 5 to 6 green chilies slit, and 1 cup of onion finely chopped. 1 teaspoon chickpeas lentils, 1 teaspoon black lentils, and now half teaspoon turmeric powder, salt as you require. Give it a mix and add the mashed potatoes. So mix this well. Let this cook for 2 to 3 minutes on low flame. So your potato sabzi is ready. Now let's make our bread pakoras. This is very simple. Just remove the corners of the bread. I couldn't capture the whole recipe of bread pakoras as I forgot to shoot the recipe. So I took around 2 boiled potatoes mashed and 1 tablespoon of Szechuan sauce. I have shown the recipe earlier. And to this I've added some salt. Give it a mix. And now this is the stuffing for the bread pakora. Just spread it. Once this is done, you can dip this with the pakora batter and deep fry this. Seal this well. So you need to just do this and you have to dip it in the pakora batter. Meanwhile, I was just frying the egg pakoras for the iftar. Side by side, I was cooking all the other dishes too. So these are the egg pakoras. And as I told you, I had dipped this into the pakora batter and I had deep fried this. So these are the bread pakoras. You can cut this and you can just coat this with Szechuan sauce too. This is really delicious. And now I'm preparing the kachori. So to make kachoris, khasta kachoris, into a pan, add 3 tablespoons of oil. To this, add coriander seeds crushed, 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds crushed, and 1 teaspoon kalonji too, the nigella seeds. Just roast this well in the oil. And once this is done, add around 3 tablespoons of besan. That is the chickpeas flour. To this add turmeric powder, half teaspoon, and 1 teaspoon raw mango powder, salt as you require, 1 teaspoon red chili powder. Give it a mix. And now add around 150 grams of moong dal, boiled. You have to boil it earlier itself for 5 minutes. Once done, strain it and just add this. And just roast this well, and if required, add around 1 to 2 tablespoons of water. It has to be like a dough like consistency. Along with this, let's prepare the imli chutney, khatti meethi imli chutney. This recipe I had shared with you all earlier. I will share the link in the description. You can just click the link for the recipe. You can make this chutney and you can store this for up to 3 to 4 months in the refrigerator. This can be used for kachoris, for samosas, for any chaats. So let's make the kachori dough. For it, I'm taking around 2 cups of oil, 2 cups of flour. To this, around 2 tablespoons of oil. Add some salt and just knead a tight dough. Add water as you require. Once done, just make them into round balls. Just follow the way I'm showing you. And now stuff this. The stuffing which we had made it earlier. I told you as it should be like a dough. So my kachoris are almost done. Follow the same way which I'm showing you. Believe me, your kachoris will come out well. And one more important thing which you have to remember is just fry them for 8 to 10 minutes on low flame, medium flame. And later on, you can just keep it on high flame and remove it. So this is my sofra iftar. I couldn't click much as I was running out of time, and it's very difficult for me to click the iftar table. And this is for the suhoor. I was preparing the chapli kebab, the Peshawari chapli kebab. For it, I took around 1 kg of minced meat. To this, I added 1 tablespoon ginger paste, 1 tablespoon garlic paste, 1 tablespoon crushed coriander, 2 tablespoon chili flakes, and 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, salt as you require, and half teaspoon cumin powder too, and 1 teaspoon red chili powder. And now I have added around 1 cup of corn flour. You can adjust the corn flour as you require. It's between half cup to 1 cup. And you can add the ajwain. That is optional. If you don't want, you can just omit this. And 1 tomato finely chopped and 1 egg for binding. Give it a mix. This is really mouth-watering and delicious. Do give this a try. Once this is done, just flatten this, roll, give them a shape and flatten this, and just place a tomato ring on top of this and just shallow fry this. This is an absolutely hit recipe. Do give it a try. And this was my personal favorite. Fry until brown in color. And when you fry this will shrink. So you have to make little bigger shape. So these are my chapli kebabs. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I'll try to share some more vlogs, and I'll try to share more videos too, the Sofra videos. Keep watching Gourmet's Delight by Faiza. And this was the today's iftar table. I had prepared the chicken biryani as well as mutton biryani. So this was the mutton biryani and that was the chicken biryani.